All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive with 114,000 miles, former highway patrol vehicle. Original white from factory. This is going to be the bright white from factory. Yes, folks, you heard right. This was a former highway patrol vehicle with only 114,000 miles. Vehicle has been fully serviced and detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Does have a fresh new window tint, medium shade in the rear only, just like the CHP do. Once again, medium shade tint on the rear windows only. I do have one spotlight correction. I do have one antenna on the trunk lid where there used to be a hole. Folks, as you can see, this is going to be an all-wheel drive. This is the actual antenna, so it is solid. It's with the base, so it's not going anywhere. So if you are going to wash your car and take it through the express car wash, the antenna should be there solid. Once again, folks, vehicle has been completely serviced, and it is in immaculate running condition and shape. Push start ready to go anywhere. All she's going to need is fuel. The paint looks amazing. It is bright white. It does have very tiny little scratches, but nothing major to worry about. I couldn't see any door. I actually did. Let me backtrack here. There's one small ding here in the trunk lid, where there used to be another antenna bracket right here. They just put it through here and then they bolt it down somehow, and that dents it right there. That's about it. Let's get back to it. Great looking car, super sharp, and yes, even though it's white, she is very intimidating going down the highway. Everybody just pulls aside and they don't even want to be in front of you on this particular bad boy right here. It is a 5.7 HEMI, so she is very powerful. All-wheel drive. Folks, remember, this is going to be an all-wheel drive. I do have a two new used set of spotlights. When I first got the car, there weren't no spotlights in place. However, I do have those here on standby in my inventory, so I managed to pull two of them out, and I had those installed. And yes, those are going to be LED bulb by Unity. I do have a super nice set of clear lights and lenses on the front. Also, I do have a brand new Setina push bar. Vehicle did not have one. I went ahead and had I ordered one and I had it installed, and here she is. Folks, this vehicle does look mean, let me tell ya. Super nice, super sharp. I got a semi new set of Goodyear Eagles Ultra grips here. All right, Ultra grips. They're in semi new conditions, courtesy of the department. And the DOT on these ones are gonna be 20. Yep, 0420. DOT of 0420 on the tires. So yes, those tires are new from the department, semi-new. They're used, but that's what the car came with. I've got lucky. I didn't have to go out and buy tires on this one. Folks, here's the interior. Black matching interior in just about immaculate shape. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floor. No tears, no rips. I do have a brand new set of OEM floor mats. The ones that came with the car, they were some cheap rubber, so I threw those away, and I gave you a new set of carpets, OEM, factory OEM, that I had here on standby. Those are completely new, never been used. So guess what? You get to take them. Driver's side seat is in perfect shape. Passenger side seat, I don't think anybody ever sat there. Okay. And this is going to be the interior. Perfect dash, no holes on it whatsoever. Honk works. Folks, as you can see, Brand new but used set of spotlights, both ends, LEDs. Okay. Vehicle has 2 factory key fobs. 2 factory key fobs. Let me clean this up real quick. 2 factory key fobs. They do have new batteries. I went and had new batteries, put in on those 2 fobs to avoid us the headache of no communication. All right, here we go. Pressure lights off. 114,000 miles. Okay. Stereo. Stereo does work. I do not own the rights of the song. Let me see. Climate control. Everything can be controlled here from your fingertips. It is a touch screen. So there she is. Nice and cold. Oh, sorry about that. Nice and cold air conditioner. So let's go ahead and turn that off. Red LED, white LED. Ticket light does work. All right, am I forgetting anything else? All right, let's go to the trunk real quick. Let's continue. Air conditioner is nice and cold for this hot weather here in California. This is what you want to have. Before I forget, folks, when I first got the vehicle, it came with the full wheel covers, and I took those off. I don't like the way those looks on the vehicle, so I had the wheels reconditioned. They were cleaned up pretty good. We didn't have to repaint them, so they look really good. The center cap and the lug nuts are new. Those were ordered from factory. As you guys already know, you cannot use those center caps if you don't have the proper lug nuts with it. So yes, brand new set of lug nuts, and I did have a used set of hubcaps on standby. So those are it. Little dog dishes. Nice trunk here. I got a donut spare tire in the bottom. Okay. Scoop that up. Hope I'm not in the way of neighbors here. Once again, this is a 2015. All right, let's get to the PM services on this vehicle. We clean this up here for us. The clock is ticking, so I better hurry up. All right, starting right to left. Let me show you better. Let me show you first. As you guys can see, the engine has been nice and detailed. This is not how they come from the department when they are coming out of the auction line. She's very strong, very quiet. You step on the pedal, she's gonna pick up and go, folks. All right, here we go. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have 16 brand new OEM Champion Irradiant spark plugs. 520 full synthetic oil service. Transmission was serviced with ATF4 OEM fluids and filter. I don't want to put anything else in this particular 722.6 transmission. I do have a brand new air filter. Brakes were about 80% all around, if I'm not mistaken. Let me verify here real quick. Brakes in the front are actually new. I apologize for that, folks. Brakes in the front are actually new from the department. I did the rear brakes. The rear brakes were about maybe 40% when I saw them. So I went ahead and had those replaced, and we did resurface the rotors. So there she is. One last final look at this beautiful 2015 Highway Patrol Charger. Folks, if you should have any questions, comments regarding this beauty here, please feel free to give me a call, text me. If you are interested about buying the vehicle, please make sure you talk to your mom, your dad, your wife, your girlfriend before you call me and you start negotiating prices and you don't have the green light to buy a vehicle. I'm sorry, guys. I have to throw that out there for you guys. No disrespect, but I just want to make sure you have all your bases covered. covered before you start calling me and start negotiating prices if that's what you want to do and you are interested in buying the vehicle. All right, folks, once again, this is going to be a 2015 with 114,000 miles, 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive former highway patrol unit. Folks, I gotta go. This is the Car Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a great rest of the week, and please have a happy 4th of July and be safe out there. Thank you, God bless, and take care.